Hello, so today we are talking all about how to get your video content onto your blog post. You know, like Amy Porterfield will do, or other professional blogs will show a video with their blog post, with the description, and you can just play it embedded in your website without having to go anywhere else like YouTube or Vimeo or Facebook or Instagram and view the video there. So if you want to embed your video onto your blog post, which I know so many of us want to enhance the quality of our blog post, we want to have more engagement, more connection, and video is a really good way. We're also going to talk about how to embed a podcast episode in the same way that Jenna Kutcher does, Amy Porterfield, so many other pros in the business space. So when we are embedding into our blog post, I'm going to talk through how you can do this using WordPress. And the reason I'm using WordPress is because I actually think it's one of the best when it comes to blogging tools. It's probably the pinnacle. It's one of the most used, widely used, and successful blogging platforms. So I'm going to use WordPress for this. It's got a massive engine behind it, and I'm going to show you how you can embed it. So basically display this video inside your blog post simply using the blocks function that's already built into WordPress. So here I am, I'm on the edit screen of a blog post that I've written. And you can see here that you've got your usual functionality where you might have been highlighting or doing something else, and you've got your little menu items at the side. Now, what I want to do is I want to hover over my blog post, and what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the little box that allows me to add a new block. So if I just make a space here, let me add a new block. Here we are, I've got a space. I can type or I can choose a block. When this plus sign comes up, you want to click on it. And you can also click on that one that just showed in the middle there. And you want to search for your YouTube app. So here's what I'm doing. I'm actually embedding a video that I've created and uploaded to YouTube. It might be that you don't have a channel. You can create a channel. That's really easy to do too. And it might be that you want to display a post here, a video here that's only available in your blog and isn't on YouTube. And that's also fine. You can do that by changing the settings of your video in YouTube. Now, there are other places that you can host your video. You can use Vimeo, you can use Wistia. There are lots of other things, but I'm into simplifying things. So I'm going to tell you now that you can use YouTube to create videos that are private, that are only available by a link that you send out to your email list. And also you can create ones that are publicly available and building your audience and your credibility in your field. So I've got the blog here, the link here to embed my YouTube URL, my YouTube video into my website. And you can see it's asking me to put the link into the content that I actually want to display here. So I'm going to head over to my channel and I've brought up the video. I've already pre-selected the video that I want to, and I have to show it in this window. If you go over to your channel, you will get a sharing link, but it'll be different than the one you need. So make sure you go here, you load up your video, and you've got me in a very dodgy freeze frame there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this website address, this URL address, and we're going to copy it. That's the one you want. It has the prefix after the youtube.com of watch, and then it'll have the little code that indicates it's your video. So we want the watch code. We're going to Control C or copy if you like to do that. We're going to head back over to my draft blog, and we're going to paste it right in there. And then what we're going to do is click embed, and what we should have is a preview of our video ready to display on our web page. So I'm going to update my blog post, and then I'm going to preview it in a new tab. And here we should see that video that I've just selected from YouTube channel is now showing at the top of my blog post. And that is how
the 7 steps to start.
That is how you embed a video into your blog post. Hopefully that was nice and easy. If you have any questions, any other little tips like this, any things that are bugging you, how do I do this? How do I do that? How do I do the other? Reach out and let me know in the comments. Take care, folks, and I'll see you again very, very, very soon. You know you can do this.